Hello students, today in this particular video we are here with a new topic of chapter 13. In this particular video we are moving towards the area of a new polygon, and the name of the polygon is triangle. So before starting, let us recall what is a triangle, how many angles are there, what are the types of the triangles. Clear? So first of all, let us draw one triangle. Triangle, from the name we can say that there are three angles, right? Tri means three and angle means when two lines intersect at a point, they forms an angle. So this is our required angle. Suppose we gave it name as A, B and C. Look, this is one angle, this is second angle and this is third angle. So three angles makes a triangle. So triangle is a three-sided closed polygon. Triangle is a three-sided closed polygon. Okay. Now we will know what is median of a triangle, what is altitude of a triangle. Clear? Okay. So for that, let us draw another triangle. Suppose this is also another sort of triangle, right? Okay, before that, let us know how many types of triangles are there. There are three types of triangle. First is equilateral triangle, then is isosceles triangle, then is scalene triangle. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal, all angles are also equal. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal and the opposite side and the opposite angle of the equal sides are also equal. That means, suppose consider this is an isosceles triangle. Suppose this side is equal and this side also equal, so these two angles will be equal. Clear? Now another is scalene triangle, in which all sides are different, all angles are also different. Clear? Okay. Now now all the angles, all the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now can you say in equilateral triangle each angle will be how much? Okay, this is your homework. We are discussing about median and altitude, right? So let's come to discussion. For this we have drawn another triangle and we give it name as P Q R. Median, from the name we can say that middle. It is discussing about the middle, right? When we draw a line segment from opposite vertex, when we draw a line segment from to a side from its opposite vertex. Vertex means opposite corner. Okay, suppose this is one vertex. There are three vertex in a triangle. Now if I draw one line segment from vertex P, from vertex P to the opposite side, to the middle of the opposite side, it is known as median. Clear? This point will be the middle of RQ, right? Now if I draw one line segment from P to this point, this line is known as median. So let this point be S. Clear? This line is known as median. Now if I draw another line segment from vertex to the opposite side, but this line segment will be straight one. Clear? It may be on the middle, maybe on any other point of the opposite side, but it must be a straight one, not a slant. Slant means what? Something like mountains. Like mountain hills are like slant wise, right? Suppose this is the hill, this is known as slant. Clear? But the line segment which is a straight one, this is perpendicular. Clear? That means it always remains 90 degree. This is perpendicular. The line segment which is straight one and touches the opposite side, this is known as altitude. So P, Q, R, S, T. Let us consider this point as T. Now here this is median, and this is altitude. Clear? Altitude or height, we can say that. Up to this clear. Now similarly we have drawn one altitude and one vertex, one median from a vertex, right? So there are three vertex. So all total we can draw 3 altitude and 3 median in a triangle. Okay. Now when we will discuss about the area of a triangle, we will come to another point is base. So let us see which is base. Base means what? Base, from the base we all know that basement, that means which is in the bottom, right? So for this triangle, RQ is the base. For this triangle, CB is the base. Clear? Okay. So now let us start our main topic, that is area of the triangle. So to find the area of the triangle, we have to consider a parallelogram. Yes, what was a parallelogram? We have discussed in our second video of this chapter, right? Parallelogram was a four-sided closed figure in which opposite lines are parallel and equal also. So let us draw one parallelogram. After that, you will see how the area of triangle. We know that area of the triangle is half into base into altitude or height. Then we will see how this formula came. Clear? Okay. So first of all, let us draw one parallelogram. This is our required parallelogram. Clear? In parallelogram, we have what? We have area of parallelogram. We have find out with two formulas, right? One is with diagonal, another is with base into altitude. Clear? So, and diagonal formula was half of product of diagonal. That is, there are two diagonals. Diagonal means what? The line segment which connects opposite vertex, opposite coordinates. Clear? So let us name the parallelogram as A, B, C and D. Here line segment will be, one will be AC, another will be BD. So this is our AC, and okay, in this case we don't need to draw AC. Let us draw only one line segment. Clear? Another will be DB, right? Okay. Now look, this line segment divides the parallelogram into two parts. One part is ADB, another part is BDC. Clear? One part is ABD, another part is BDC. Okay. So if this line segment divides, the figure will look like this. Look. This part is A, B, D, and another part is this one. Clear? That is B, C, D. Let us draw this part also. So this will be like this. Clear? This is like this. Clear? This is B, C, and D. So a diagonal divides a parallelogram equally into two parts. Let us assume that this diagonal divides the parallelogram equally into two parts. Now this is in which shape? This is in triangular shape. This is three angles, three vertex, three sides. Clear? So this is a triangle shape. Now if we draw a altitude, let us draw in this figure, right? If we draw one altitude from A to the line diagonal DB, and give it name as AE. Clear? This is AE, and let us draw another altitude from point C to the diagonal BD. So our required altitude will be like this. Clear? Suppose give us the name as CF. Okay, for this look in this figure also. We have drawn this altitude. The name of this is E, and we have drawn another altitude also. And name of this altitude is CF. Clear? Now for this triangle ABD, this is base, this is base, and this is altitude. Here ABD, this diagonal is base and this is altitude. Clear? So we know area of triangle is half into base into height. Clear? Now for this triangle, that is BCD, base is also base is which one? That is on which we have drawn the altitude, on which we have drawn the altitude. This is our base. Clear? So base will be dB. dB is our base and altitude is CF. Clear? Now, okay. Now, for example, let us assume that area of this triangle, that is ABD, is 3 centimeter, and in this figure, this diagonal ABD divides the parallelogram into two equal parts, right? So this area is 3 centimeter square, and this area also 3 centimeter square. So the total area of the parallelogram will be how much? It is 6 centimeter square. How did we find it? We have just find out the sum of triangle, area of triangle ABD, and sum of area of the triangle BCD. Clear? That means in if we don't have the area as 3 centimeter, can we write it as half into base into height 1, and another is half into base into height. So let us write that is area of triangle ABD as half into base into height. Clear? This is also half into base into height. Clear? Okay. Now from this figure, can we write area of parallelogram? This is sinus parallel, and if we write GM, that means it represents area of parallelogram ABCD. ABCD equals area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BDC. We will write area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. I hope up to this clear. So now we know area of parallelogram ABCD. Area of the parallelogram ABCD is base into height. So we will write base into height. Clear? Base into height. Okay. And in place of area of triangle ABD, okay, till now we don't know this, that is area of triangle is half into base into height. Let us erase this, and this also. Now we know that area of this triangle equals area of this triangle. That means we in this figure we assume that diagonal BD divides the parallelogram into two equal parts. Okay. Now in place, if these two figures are equal, for example, its area is 3 meter square and its area is also 3 meter square. I have told you that let us assume, and we have taken this for as example. Okay. So now in place of area, I will write area of triangle ABD. This, if these two figures are same, if this area of the two figures are same, so we have written area of triangle ABD plus now area of triangle ABD. Will you will say that why I have written again here area of triangle ABD. Now if the both the area of both the figures are same, can we replace area of BCD as with area of BD? Yes, we can write. Clear? We will write, no problem, because this is 3 centimeter square, this is 3 centimeter square, no problem, just we change the name. Okay. So now again we will write base into height, base into height equals how many? Area of triangle area of triangle ABD 1 plus 1, so it will be 2 2 into area of triangle ABD. Now one thing we know, if any number is multiplied and when we change the side, it got divides. So if we bring 2 to this side, it will be base into height, base into height divided by 2 equals area of triangle ABD. Clear? I hope up to this everyone is clear. So we have find out area of the triangle ABD. So it is, and for our convenience or for looking better, we write it as like this: area of triangle ABD equals half into base into height. Clear? So this is our required area of the triangle. I hope you have understand that how did we find area of the triangle, which is half into base into height. Okay, for this we have to consider area of the parallelogram. Now let us solve a few questions about area of the triangle. It will be better for you and you will also understand better. So now let us assume that find the area of a triangle whose base is 20 centimeter, whose base is 20 centimeter and height is 14 centimeter. Okay, let us find it. Our question will be find the area, find the area of a triangle, find the area of a triangle whose base and altitude, altitude, altitude. Okay, one more homework is for you. What is the difference between altitude and height? Is it same or is there any slight difference? Find the area of a triangle whose base and altitude is 20 centimeter, whose base is 20 centimeter and 14 centimeter respectively. This respectively means which comes earlier? This here base comes earlier, so 20 centimeter also comes earlier. That means base is 20 centimeter and altitude is 14 centimeter. So let us draw one triangle. This is our required triangle. Okay, A B C. Here base is how much? 20 centimeter and altitude is 14 centimeter. Clear? 14 centimeter, and this point will be A B C D. Up to this I hope you are clear. Okay, now we'll proceed to our solution. So first of all we have to write solution, right? Solution, then the information given in the question. So we'll write like this: given base of triangle, triangle ABC. The base is which? The base is BC, right? It is 20 centimeter. Then height or altitude of triangle, comma altitude is AD equals 14 centimeter. Now we know area of triangle ABD. Look, ABC. Okay, we know area of triangle ABC is how much? Half into base into height. So we write half into base into height. Up to this clear? Okay. Now in place of our base is BC, so half into BC into our height is AD. Clear? Okay. Now we'll just substitute our values. Okay. So in place of BC we will write 20 and in place of AD we will write 14. So it will be like this: half into 20 into 14. So now we will cancel 2 with 20, it will be 10. So our left is 10 into 14, and it will be 10 into 14 is 140 centimeter square. Why centimeter square? Because we have with base we have multiplied 20 centimeter, there is 1 centimeter, and with altitude there is another centimeter. So this 10 into 14 is what? 140. Now with each of them there is 1 centimeter each, right? So centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. If it was asked that volume, in case of volume we have to consider 3 dimensions, right? Length, breadth, height. So here in that case we multiplied length, suppose centimeter into centimeter into centimeter, so it becomes centimeter cube. Clear? Okay. So our area of the required triangle whose base was 20 centimeter and altitude is 14 centimeter, its area is 140 centimeter square. So we'll write our conclusion, right? Hence area of the triangle is 140 centimeter square. Hence area of the triangle, hence area of the triangle is 140 centimeter square. I hope all of you are clear. Okay. Now another, this is about area, right? How to, if there is base given and altitude given, we have to find out area. Now we will take another example. We'll take we'll relate with the same questions, right? Okay. Now I want in our next question we will solve, if there is area is given, altitude is given, how to find its base. Okay, let us solve. So our question will be find the, okay, or we can write area of, or question number, example number 2, clear? Find the base, find the base of a triangle, find the base of a triangle whose area is 140 centimeter square, and suppose consider altitude and altitude is 14 centimeter. Clear? Okay, I am relating the same questions, it will be better for you. So in this question we have area which is 140 centimeter square and altitude as 14 centimeter square. Clear? Now we have to find the base. We know what is base, right? Okay, let us find out the base. Its area is how much? 140 centimeter square. Now we have to find length of BC. Okay. For this we have to, first of all, we have to write solution. Then why I always write solution in place of every answer? Because one thing, when you start to eat meal, before sitting in your dining room, didn't you wash your hands? We can relate with this. Okay. So we have written here solution, then given. What information are given here? Triangle, area of the triangle is given and altitude is also given. So we will write area of triangle, area of the triangle, or okay, area of triangle. Area of triangle is how much? 140 centimeter square. Then altitude, length of altitude. Length of altitude is 14 centimeter. Okay, up to this clear? Okay. Now we will write. Now one thing we know that area of triangle is half into base into height. So we will write, we know area of triangle. Area of triangle, here our triangle is ABC. So we can write as ABC. Area of triangle ABC equals half into base into height. Before base, height, H for height. So our area of triangle is 140. So we will replace it with 140. Then in place of half, we have to write half. Then our base, we have to find it, and our height is 14 centimeter. Clear? 14. Now we can cancel 2 with 14, it will be 7. So our next line will be 140 equals base B into 7. Clear? Okay. Now again we know that if there is multiplication and when we change the side, it will be divide. That means if a number is multiplied and if we change that number, it will get divided on the other side. So it will be 140 divided by 7 equals to base. Now 7 into 2 is 14, 0 left 20. That means base equals 20 centimeter. Clear? In earlier case also we have base 20 centimeter square. So this will be same, right, because we are considering same area and same altitude. So we write hence area of triangle, hence area of hence base of the triangle, hence base of the triangle is 20 centimeter. Clear? Okay. Now another type of question left, and if you understand this, you can solve the exercise yourself. Okay, let us move to our next question. So we are here with our new next example. Here the question is, the diagonal of a quadrilateral is 48 centimeter and the length of the perpendicular to it from the opposite vertices are 4.8 centimeter and 8.6 centimeter. Find the area of the quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means four-sided closed figure. So let us draw one four-sided closed figure. Suppose this is our quadrilateral. Clear? And another thing is given the length, the diagonal of the quadrilateral. So let our diagonal be, length of the diagonal is 48 centimeter, and let us give the name quadrilateral as A, B, C and D. So our diagonal is BD, whose length is 48 centimeter. Now another is the length of the perpendiculars to it from opposite vertices are 4.8 centimeter. So let us draw one perpendicular here. This length is 4.8 centimeter, and another is 8.6 centimeter. Clear? 8.6 centimeter. A, B, C, D, E, F. So now we have to find the area of the quadrilateral. Now as I discussed with earlier that if we assume that A, B, D is one triangle and B, C, D is another triangle, and then if we find the area of both the triangles and if we add area of both the triangles, we can easily find out the area of the quadrilateral. So let us start. We'll write solution. Then here length of AD, LENGTH, length of BD, length of BD is 48 centimeter. Then length of AE, equals 4.8 centimeter. Then length of CF is 8.6 centimeter. Clear? Okay. Now we will write area of the quadrilateral. We will write now area of quadrilateral. ABCD, area of quadrilateral ABCD equals area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. Okay. So area of triangle ABD is half into base. Here base is BD into altitude is AE. Clear? This is one. And then area of triangle BCD. In this area of triangle BCD also, here base is BD. So we will write half into BD into here altitude is CF. Clear? Okay. Now look one thing. From both the terms, two things is common. Half, there is also half, there is also half. We can take common half. Another is BD. From the both the BD, if we take common BD, it will be better for us in solving, right? So we will take common half into BD. So here left is what? AE. In this term, AE left, then this plus sign, plus then CF. Clear? Okay. Now we will substitute the values. So length of BD is 48 centimeter. So we will write half into 48. Then bracket, length of AE is 4.8. Then length of CF is 8.6. So we will cancel 48 with 2. It will be 24. I hope after this clear, right? So next line will be 24 into 48. Okay, 4.8 plus 8.6. Let us find the sum of the both. 8 plus 6 is 14. 1 4 8 12 13 100. It will be 13.4. Clear? Now we have to multiply 24 with 13.4. So let us multiply 134 by 24. 4 into 4 is 16, remainder 1. 4 into 3 is 12, 13. Then again 1. 4 into 1 is 4, 5. 2 into 4 is 8. 3 into 2 is 6. And then 2 into 1 is 2. So it will be 6, 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11. Then 1, 12. Then again 1, 3. And after decimal 1 digit, so we will put decimal before 1 digit, right? So we will get the solution. Required area is 321.6 centimeter square. So at last we will write hence the required area of the quadrilateral ABCD is 321.6 centimeter square. I hope all you are clear, right? So how did we find area of the quadrilateral? We have first find area of triangle, and then this triangle. You can find in that way also. If we find area, first of all you find area of this triangle, then again if you find area of this triangle, then you have to again find out the sum. In this way also you can find, and indirectly by adding the area of both the triangles you can also find. So I have shown you the different types of examples about which there are questions in our exercise. So now you try oneself in your home, and if you don't, we will discuss in our next video. So this is for today, and meet you in our next class.